Hello, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever worked on a sewing project that you required a certain color thread, but you also need to match your bobbin? I'm gonna show you how to do it on my Singer Heavy Duty, how to get your thread to have a matching bobbin. Stick around. Okay, so you're gonna pick the selected thread and put it on the threader on your machine. Then you're gonna get your empty bobbin and you're gonna see a little hole on top of your bobbin, and that's where you're gonna pull your thread out from the inside to the top. Then you're going to wrap it around once and place it in the bobbin holder. And once you have it there, you're going to snap it back. And you'll notice a little white thing, and that's just used to measure when your bobbin is full, and it stops it automatically. Then you're going to pull the thread onto the left side of the machine, and there's a little drawing on it. You just wrap it around, and that's create some tension to bring it from your spool to your bobbin. And then press your presser foot and it will go. Once it's full, that little sensor will make it stop. Just pull it back to the left, take out your bobbin, and trim your thread. Now this machine is pretty cool because everything is labeled in case you forget or you're a new sewer. So we're going to put the thread in the bobbin just like the little picture on the clear covering for the bobbin. So you're going to drop your bobbin in just like the drawing and bring the thread around. Leave a long tail, always bring it to the back and close it and you're good. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below or follow me on my Instagram and send me a DM at PinUpMiami. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and I hope that helped you. Bye-bye.